What's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Adidas Superstars. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you both the right and the left shoe, and when we get to the top of the loosely laced style I'm going to show you on each shoe a slightly different way to finish it off. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the lace down through that first hole on the outside of the shoe. Just bring your lace up a little way into the shoe, and then when you pass the lace across the front, just flatten it out as much as possible. Take the end of the lace down through the opposite first hole, draw it up a little way into the shoe, and then to make sure that the laces are the same length on both sides, put the ends together and pull up. Just like that. So I'm just going to make sure that that's not too loose at the front there. And then we're going to start with the outside lace across the shoe to the inside second hole. If you catch it on your finger as well, it does help to put a loop sitting above the hole, which helps that kind of loose look, and it means you can get rid of any twists in the lace as they come up. So we're going to take the inside lace now across to the second hole on the outside. And keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the third hole on the inside. Just to say as well, I have put some padding inside the shoe, which does help to kind of bulk it out a little bit, as if your foot's sitting inside it. And if you're going for that loose look, you really do want to stretch out your shoes to get those laces nice and wide as well. So then we take the inside lace across to the outside third hole. And it's good to just check now, and a little tip, that if you pull your shoe out like that, it will widen out your laces, and then you'll make sure that they're all the same width. So this one's looking a little bit baggier, so I'm just going to pull that in and carry on. So we take the outside lace across to the fourth hole on the inside. And then the inside lace across to the outside fourth hole. And now you've done your 4 loops up the shoe. You've got a hoop here. You might decide to leave it or not use it. I'm going to take my outside lace through that just to secure it in place a little bit better. So take it through the loop and down through the opposite 5th hole. And take the inside lace, thread it across the top of that lace that's already in there, keeping it as flat as possible. If it does twist, just pull it out and back in again. Then take that down through the 5th hole on the outside and take that lace across to the 6th hole. Then the inside lace comes across to the opposite hole. And then you've got your 2 laces left over. And I've just realised that mine are just ever so slightly different. So I'm going to track this lace back and pull it in a little bit. So I'm going to work my way up through the shoe and just pull it just a little bit more. So you've got them the same length as each other. And then the outside lace, rather than going around and down again, it goes out through that last opposite hole. So push it through, and then the inside lace comes across and out through that top hole. From the back of the hole to the front, just make sure that the laces are hanging out as much as you like. And there you have your loosely laced, just going to pull it out to make sure that they're all the same, your loosely laced Adidas Superstar with that really great loose look. So on the left shoe, I'm going to show you a loosely laced way of lacing. It's not going to be quite as loose as on the right shoe that I've just shown you, but on this one it's going to be slightly tighter, and it's going to help you to keep the shoe on your foot if you're one of those people that have got either very slim feet or your shoe's too big, or you just can't stop your foot from slipping out on the heel. So let's get started. So I'm going to mirror the right shoe by starting on the outside first hole. Again, just draw it up a little way into the shoe, flatten out your lace across the front and bring the end of the lace down into the opposite first hole. And then laces go together and pull up to make sure that you've got the same length on both sides. So I'm just going to pull that in ever so slightly. And then we're going to start with the outside lace across the shoe to the inside second hole. Again, I'm going to catch it on my finger. I've got a twist there, so I'm just going to twist it over, turn it over, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of a loop, but it's not going to be quite as loose as the one on the right shoe. So then bring the inside lace across to the outside second hole. Keep that lace in your hand, bring it across to the third hole on the inside. And again, just to say, I have padded out this shoe as well. And then the inside lace comes across to the third hole on the outside. And again, just try and keep your laces as flat as possible as you bring them down into the hole to stop them twisting. And then take that outside lace across to the next inside hole. And then the inside lace comes across to the outside fourth hole. And now before I use the hoop on the tongue, I'm just going to pull the shoe out. Just check that the laces are the same width. So you can see you've still got that nice loose lace look. And don't forget, if your foot's a little bit slimmer, you can always bring these in a little bit, pulling them in. And then we're going to take the outside lace and we're going to go through that hoop there. So keeping your lace nice and flat, guide it through and down through the next inside hole. And then the inside lace comes across over the top of the lace that's in there. See, I've got a twist there, so I'm just going to pull it out, turn it over and pull it back down. And then that goes down through the next outside hole. And then that lace is going to come across to the next inside hole. And then the inside lace comes across to the next outside hole. And then keep that lace in your hand. I'm going to do the same as we did on the right shoe. We're going to go out through the top. I'm going to pull it all the way through. And then the inside lace comes out through the top. From the back of the whole tooth to the front. And you can see that I've got more lace here because I pulled the laces in. So I'm just seeing that this one's a little bit looser. So I'm going to pull that in. Up to the top. So then just pull your shoes out to make sure all your laces are the same width going across. Just check they're looking the way you want them to. And then the way to finish this style is to take those two last loops there that you've got. We're going to pull this in. So just stick out as much lace as you'd like, which gives you a loop, and pull this one. Make sure your two pieces of lace sticking out are as much as you'd like them to be, and then the two loops go behind the tongue like that. So then as you can see, it doesn't matter how long these loops are, you can pull these laces in as much as you like. These can get as long as you like because they're going to sit behind the tongue, on top of your foot and under the tongue. So your laces don't come as high up the shoe, but the fact that you can bring them in as much as you need to suit your foot means that you can wear that nice loose look, but it will sit a little bit tighter on your foot depending on how much you've brought the laces in. So you've got two different ways. You've got your one on your left and one on your right. So you can choose whichever one suits you for that great loose lace look. And now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. So there you have 2 ways to loosely lace your Adidas Superstars. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.